Good morning, party people. We are getting ready to start our journal today for Monday, August 24th. So this is for our white group. So if you are in our white group, you are in the right spot. Today's journal is going to be about an insect. So go ahead and take a look at our pictures here, some different insects that we have. Notice their different parts. Maybe look at their colors and notice what colors they are. And look how they maybe look different or some parts that they have that are the same. So first we're going to do green. Green is group. So what group or category does it belong to? Let's think about what are insects? What would we label them as or put them in a category? Where would you put them? Think about that as you answer this question. So next we have blue. Blue is do. So what do you do with an insect, or what does an insect do? So think about the times you've seen insects, maybe outside, or maybe there's been one in your house. What do they do? Next, we're going to move on to eye. Eye is what does it look like? So what size would you think an insect is? What size? Is it big? Is it small? Are some of them big? Are some of them small? What shapes do you see on them? We have lots of different colors here and a lot of different shapes that you guys can use to answer this question. Go ahead and pause the video and answer the question for eye. Next, we're going to move on to wood. So what is an insect made of? What is it made of? Take a look at the different parts here. What parts does it have, or what is it made of? Does it have parts like a human? Are the outsides the same as a person? Think about that as you answer the question. All right, you guys. So next we have pink, and pink is parts. Sorry about that. Pink is parts. So what parts does an insect have? So look at these insects. What parts do they have? What are coming off their heads? Do they have the same amount of arms and legs like a human does? What part does a bee have? Maybe on the back of its tail. Think about that as you answer the questions. All right, next is white. So white is where? Where would we see an insect at? So where are some insects that you have seen? Again, I've given you some examples of maybe there's been one inside your house. Where inside your house did you see it? Or maybe you've seen one outside of your house. Where did you see those insects at? Go ahead and answer the question for white.
Good morning, teacher.
Sorry, guys, I had a quick announcement that we had over the loudspeaker there. So let's go ahead and get finished up with orange. So orange is what else do we know about insects? So what else do you guys know about insects? How do they move? How do they get around? Do they jump? Do they fly? Do they move slow? Do they move fast? Think about some of these questions as you answer our last prompt. As you guys finish up here, make sure you give yourself a big pat on the back for all your hard work you've put in for this journal. And make sure you tune in with us tomorrow for our next one. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.